Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for coming back. In today's video, I am sharing with you how I achieved this aloe vera moisturizer. I don't know if I should call it a leave-in cream or a moisturizer. Anyways, I think it's both. It's a leave-in cream and it is a great moisturizer. Let's get started with the video. So we are going to need aloe vera. Aloe vera is actually one of the major ingredients we need for the recipe. And I already washed and removed the spiky edges from the aloe vera leaves. The next thing to do is to cut open and extract the gel. I made use of a sieve here because I just wanted to use the juice or the gel that naturally drips from cutting the aloe vera leaves. But as you know, you can always blend your aloe vera gel to extract more of it. So if you end up blending, then you should also use a finer material like a t-shirt to strain it. You wouldn't want aloe vera residue or particles in your hair. This is the juice that I'm talking about, so I'm just going to leave everything there for it to strain naturally. Our next ingredient is glycerin. I missed the clip for when I added it into this bowl. And I also added a vitamin E oil to it. The next ingredient is xanthan gum. Xanthan gum is a thickener and a binder or an emulsifier. That is, it can be used to combine water and an oil. Add a little amount of the xanthan gum into the glycerin bit by bit and continue to mix as you add. When you're done mixing, cover it and set aside for 2 hours. This is just in order to properly dissolve the gum. Remember the aloe vera juice we extracted earlier? Yes, this is it. This is fresh aloe vera gel and it's really so jelly. So if you leave it to fall or to weaken for a day or two, and then you add xanthan gum to it, you will have something similar to store-bought aloe vera gel. I just did this to demonstrate the binding ability of xanthan gum. I needed a bigger bowl, so I transferred the aloe vera gel into one, and now I'm adding shea butter. This is melted shea butter and also a few oils. I added castor oil and I also added argan oil to it. Then I equally added lavender essential oil. Keep in mind that you can make use of a variety of butters. You can mix mango, shea and cocoa butter, or just use the one you have. Then use a hand mixer to properly mix it, like really mix it well. It looks so jelly in the beginning, but properly mixing it will give you a desirable consistency. As you mix, you can continue to add your butter and also the xanthan gum. Gradually adding them and mixing will get you to a point where you have the consistency that you're comfortable with. The best moisturizers are water-based, and you know that the content of aloe vera is about 99 to 99.5% water. So it makes aloe vera a great moisturizer. Butters also moisturizes the hair and they keep the moisture in the hair for a longer period of time. So combining aloe vera with butters will result in a wonderful moisturizer. You can still mix your aloe vera gel and butter without making use of an emulsifier, but using one will give you a smooth and perfect consistency. I've been making this in small batches and using for about 2 weeks. It usually gets finished before 2 weeks. So if you make a large amount of it, you can always add a preservative to keep it for a longer period of time. This is what I'm talking about. I have made some badges that are really thick and some that are lighter, but I really like this consistency. This is perfect. I like this one so much. So if you want to have a thicker consistency, then make use of more butters and also more xanthan gum because it thickens the mixture. And if you want to have a lighter consistency, then make use of more aloe vera gel and less of the other ingredients. When you attain a desired consistency, transfer your moisturizer into a clean container and you can use it for up to 2 weeks without a preservative. At least I've used it that long without a preservative, and with a preservative it can last for as long as a year. The thing with dissolving your xanthan gum in glycerin is that your moisturizer will not have residues at the end. If you just add it in powder form to your moisturizer, then the probability that you end up with residues is so high. So this is me making use of my moisturizer. I wish you could feel my hair, but this is a great moisturizer. After using this, my hair is so soft. I just apply it and I go ahead to put my hair in a protective style. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if this is your first time here, or if you're returning and have not yet done so. Also give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.